Yeah, hi guys, this is Mack here. I'm back on the building of it's like a garden shed to hold tools and stuff like that. You know, like shovels, spades, things like that. All garden stuff. Yeah, this build is 1800 wide, 1500 high and 450 deep. We're using 8mm matchboarding. It's 8mm by 94 to form, you know, the sides, back, and eventually make the doors for it. So that's a future project. Yeah, I've got one of the side frames on the bench. What I'm going to do is cut it across this way, you know, the width of it, and then put the matchboard in, you know, to form the side. Yeah, cutting a few sides here. Use this square to score across with a pencil. Cut it fine to mark it. You can do this just to make a flush at the end. Mark it there. Check's pretty square, that's good enough. Cut one side of the line, you get accurate measurement. Gets you in to do 100 Alright. Yeah, make sure I've measured it from that side, 390. Make sure you use your thumb and cut bang on the line. Just take literally the line of the pencil out.